Lecture 11, Importing Music and Audio. By now, your video is taking shape. You have a timeline, trimmed clips, smooth transitions, and maybe even subtitles. But it probably feels a little flat, right? That's because visuals alone are not enough. Music and audio bring life, energy, and mood to your video. Whether it's background music, sound effects, or a voiceover, adding audio makes your project feel complete and professional. In this lecture, we will learn how to import and recognize music and audio files in Premiere Pro. We will also cover where to find good audio, how to avoid copyright issues, and how to preview files before using them. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to import music, sound effects, and voiceovers into Premiere Pro. Organize audio files using bins. Understand common audio file formats. Identify royalty-free and copyright-safe music sources. Where to find audio files. Before importing anything, let's quickly talk about where to find audio you can legally use. Royalty-free music libraries like YouTube Audio Library, Bensound, or Free Music Archive are great places to start. Many editing platforms also provide their sound libraries, which are safe for use in schools or personal projects. Avoid using popular songs from Spotify or iTunes unless you have been granted permission. Those are copyrighted and can get your video flagged or removed. Rule of thumb: if you did not make it or license it, don't use it. Importing audio into Premiere Pro. There are two easy ways to bring your audio into the project. Method 1. To import, right-click inside the project panel and select Import. Or go to File, click on Import and choose your file. Then click on Open. Method 2. Drag and drop. Open your folder outside of Premiere Pro. Drag the audio file directly into the project panel. Or even onto the timeline if you want to use it right away. Always preview your audio in a media player first so you know what you are working with before it hits the timeline. Organizing audio files in bins. Just like with video clips, you should use bins to organize your audio. Create bins for music, voiceovers, and sound effects. For example, to create a new bin, just right-click inside the project panel and click on New Bin, or click on this icon of New Bin. Just rename it like music, voiceovers, sound effects. Keep your audio files named, for example, calm_ambient_track, typing_sfx, narration_intro. For example, click on rename and change the name. This not only keeps your project tidy, but also makes editing faster when you are looking for a specific sound later. Understanding audio formats. Premiere Pro supports a wide range of audio file types, but these are the most common. MP3, most widely used and smallest in size. WAV, higher quality and uncompressed but larger in file size. AAC, common for audio extracted from video files. If you ever run into issues with an audio file, try converting it to WAV format. It tends to be the most stable during editing. Import tips for smooth workflow. Store all your audio files inside your main project folder to avoid relinking issues later. Rename files before importing them so they are easy to identify. Preview and organize before editing. It's tempting to drop everything in at once, but this can get messy fast. Add markers on your timeline if you want music to start or end at specific points. Best practice. Keep background music lower in volume, then voiceover or key dialogue. We will cover audio mixing in a future lecture, but it's good to start thinking about balance now.